You're welcome to Bush Class TV. The name remains the same, Obuchiech. We normally go to farms outside Accra, but today we didn't go to any farm. Today we are still in Accra. And then as I'm in Accra, I didn't go to farm in Accra as well, but rather I'm in the house. When you check from my background, you can see cassava plantation over there. It's very small cassava plantation that I've done in my house here. And today I'm here to give you a little advice about getting your own crops or your own food from your backyard garden without going to the market to buy it from them sometimes. Now, let's see. We have some of the vegetables like the lettuce, which have a short lifespan, and then some have 1 day to 2 weeks. That is when you get them within 1 day to 2 weeks, they can get spots and then they are unsafe to use. But when you grow it in your house and then you harvest it yourself, immediately you get them, you can be able to use them. Assuming you've grown something like garden eggs, you've grown something like pepper or tomato, and then you harvest it yourself because it is right from your house. When you get it, you can use it that same day. Though sometimes when you buy them, you can store them in your refrigerator. But if you do it yourself and you harvest it, you can eat it on that very day without keeping it or storing it in your refrigerator. When you grow it, and then if it is today that you want to use it, you can choose to take or harvest small that you think you can be able to use it on that particular day. When you are done eating it, next time that you want to eat the same crop again, you can still go and then harvest it because it is right in your home. I'm not saying it is not good to go to the market to get it yourself, or it is not okay to go to the market to buy the foodstuffs that they are selling over there. It is okay to do that. You can go to the market and then buy the foodstuffs and then come and eat it. But bear in mind that you are not going to get it fresh like getting it yourself or like growing it in your home. For those that are selling it in the market, they also get it from the farmers. Sometimes it will take some few days in the farm before it even gets to the market. Assuming the farmer has harvested it in the farm today, maybe the access of getting the vegetables or the access of getting that particular crop to the market wouldn't be there. Therefore, it's going to remain in the farm for maybe 1 or 2 days, or let's say more than 2 days. How good or high hygienic will the crops be when the vendor sells it to you, or when you also go to the market to buy it? So, it is better if you have a small land in your home. You can grow it yourself. Some of the vegetables, when you grow them, it takes 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, and then they'll be ready to harvest. So let's say when you grow pepper, and then pepper takes 4 months to be matured and then be harvested, you can be harvesting them for like 6 months. So before that 6 months, you can start growing another one. So by the time that particular pepper will be old for you not to eat again, the new one that you planted or the new one that you grow is also ready. So you keep on planting them or you keep on growing them. The land is yours. Yes, the land is yours. It is your home that you are doing the plantation. So you can be doing it as many as you want. So the advice that I want to give you today is if you have a small land at your home, don't waste it. Use it for what we call the backyard garden. Grow what you think you can grow, and then it will help you today, it will help you tomorrow, it will help you anytime that you want that particular crop. It's not only cassava crops that I have here. I also have plantain crops, or I also have plantain. I have ginger. So if I need ginger, I can get it here. If I need plantain, I can also get it here. It cut cost, and also you can always get fresh food to eat. You can get fresh crops to use at any time that you want. It will help you. Please don't feel lazy to do it. You can start it, and when you start, it will grow for you. You will love it when you start, and then when you start it now, it will be difficult for you to stop because it is amazing. It is amazing doing backyard garden, growing your own crops and then eating it yourself. It is very amazing. So start it and then you thank me later. Thank you for listening to my advice. This is Bush Class TV with your Bush teacher, Obo GH. As I told you earlier, we didn't go to or we didn't travel to any farm. This is my backyard garden that I've done. That's my cassava plantation. Very soon it will be matured and then I'll harvest it.